Are you part of the people that was so scared about what the heck is coming? That was November 2022. Then that was the first time we heard about OpenAI. And that was the first time majority of us got to know about AI itself, like ChatGPT from OpenAI. We never heard about OpenAI before then, but boom, in 2022 November, they actually came up with free plan for everybody. And that actually made them to have massive numbers of subscribers immediately beyond any other thing that had ever come. And that was crazy. Also scared. Then in around 2023, Google Bard actually came up with their own called Bard. And I think they rebranded it into Gemini in around 2024. And all of this I'm actually talking about right now sent a lot of fears to developers, to creative people, and all of that. Because this time around, those guys are not joking. And immediately, they came up with different models that they can't actually give out for free. But because of that particular free plans they have given to everybody, you have no option. You're going to actually pay for it. So we actually paid for it, and I have been paying often now. The thing is this, we had not actually done with all that. Then here comes Copilot, in different softwares like, Google main softwares, or Microsoft main softwares. Then Excel has Copilot. Power BI has Copilot. Just, different things, different softwares, they all have Copilot. And this particular Copilot made things very easy for everybody. So me as a developer, what takes me like a day to actually complete can actually be done within some couple of minutes by Copilot. All you have to do is just to type in some couple of prompts and you're done with your report or your dashboard. So that was a big fear to everybody in my industry, and I feel in your industry. So I'm going to come back to my industry. It never stopped there. Then this particular AI of a thing started eating deep into other industries like music. This time around, when you hear some music from a particular artist, you are going to actually be thinking like, maybe this is an AI because I'm not so sure this guy could sing like this. You understand? So people don't believe anybody again. You understand? So they'll be thinking, no, this might be an AI. Even when you know for sure that this guy could do something like this, because of what AI is doing right now, you're going to capitalize on AI. So our educational system is being eaten up by AI. Students are being lazy to do things. The next thing they do is just to go to AI and have their assignments done, their projects and everything done. So AI is now eating deep into movie industries. If I say movie industry, not just dramas. I'm talking about action movies, comedy, advertisements. Have you seen what AI had been doing lately? Okay, let me come back to my industry. I have a lot of fear when AI just came in, but this particular part will definitely help you very well. So we have what to call prompt engineering, which means how you prompt AI to give you feedback, because it has to do with garbage in and as well garbage out. So what you give to AI or what you feed into the machine is what you're going to get back. So if you want to get a good result, you must be good in prompt engineering. So majority of persons does know how to do it. So I think it's like maybe a week plus now, somebody came to my DM and was like, hi. I was like, okay, what's up? How you doing? Just he wanted to create, dashboard for healthcare. I was like, okay, fine. Let me have your data. So he actually sent his data forward and I charged him $1,000. He was like, it's too much. Okay, how much are you gonna pay? He said just 100. I said, no, I don't do any projects below $500. He was like, okay, don't worry, I'm gonna do it myself. He left. After some few days, he got back to me. I was like, it wasn't easy. He thought he was going to do it with AI, but he couldn't get the best result from it. I was like, okay, nice. So what are you going to do? So how much do you charge last? So we actually bargained, and after all, he gave me the project. So why am I telling you this? Learn how to use AI. That is exactly what it is. Don't be scared of it. Initially, I was so scared that AI is here to actually take my job from me. You understand? But one thing that is very certain is this. Learn AI and learn something else, because no matter how you feel like you want to learn AI, AI is still going to outsmart you by every means. You understand? Learn other things and make sure whatever you're learning, you attach AI to it. So, November 2022 is a day I can never forget. And the introduction of Copilot into several softwares I'm using has actually sent some fears, into me. But after all, I was able to actually suppress it by using this particular AI to my advantage. There is one thing you have to understand. AI is here to live. Yes, we all know. I mean it. AI is here to live. We all know. But the thing is this, it's here to live as your assistant. It's not here to live as your enemy. It's not going to get your job away from you. But if you don't do the right thing, somebody that knows how to use AI will definitely get your job away from you. So this is all I have for you today. See you in my next video. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're watching from Facebook, try as much as you could to actually follow for more. See you.